Commercio.network's identity management solutions and streamline digital signatures for identity management solutions. Welcome to Commercio Network. Identity management and digital signature solutions are essential for businesses in today's digital age. Commercio.network offers powerful blockchain-based solutions for identity management and digital signatures, enabling businesses to secure their digital assets and streamline their operations. In this tutorial, we will explore how businesses can use Commercio.network's identity management and digital signature solutions to improve their security, compliance, and efficiency. Commercio.network's identity management solution, IDE, provides businesses with a secure and decentralized platform for managing their customers' identities. The platform's use of blockchain technology ensures that personal information is encrypted during transmission and storage, protecting it from unauthorized access and data breaches. IDE provides businesses with granular access control, allowing them to control who has access to their customers' personal information. Businesses can set permissions for each user, including who can view, edit, and share personal information. This can help businesses ensure that their customers' personal information is only accessible to authorized personnel, reducing the risk of data leaks and unauthorized access. One of the main advantages of IDE is its compliance with relevant regulatory requirements, including the European Union's eIDAS regulation. This provides businesses with peace of mind that their identity management processes are compliant with applicable regulations. IDE also offers legally binding solutions for identity management. The platform's digital signatures are legally binding, ensuring that all identity transactions are legally enforceable. This can help businesses reduce the risk of disputes and ensure that their transactions are legally valid. ESIGNATURE also offers legally binding solutions for digital signatures. The platform's digital signatures are legally binding, ensuring that all digital document transactions are legally enforceable. This can help businesses reduce the risk of disputes and ensure that their transactions are legally valid. Businesses can use Commercio.network's identity management and digital signature solutions together to streamline their operations and improve their security and compliance. For example, businesses can use IDE to manage their customers' identities and eSIGNATURE to sign and verify digital documents. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, businesses can ensure that their identity management and digital signature processes are secure, tamper-proof, and legally binding. This can help businesses reduce the risk of fraud, data breaches, and other security threats, while also ensuring compliance with applicable regulations.